Hey everybody, got a new project today. Let me show you what we got. What we got is an antique hay press. I have been wanting one of these for a long time. And for those of you that don't know, this is an old hay baler before the more modern square balers. You got to manually load and feed this right here. It goes in and this moves back and forth and this packs the hay down. And then you got your tensioners and everything back here. It's tight down. So I've got the top for the other side. I've got to get a spring and a piece of all thread or something will work for that. And I can't figure out the brand name. The only thing left is a be careful deal right here, if the camera will pick it up. But here's where the old info used to be. And I can't find it. I couldn't find it when we was there. And I'm not really sure of the make. I've done some looking. It was green top and it had orange wheels, the best I can tell, but it's not an International. I think the closest thing I found to this looked like a Rumley hay press. Oh, I don't know. But anyway, been after one of these for a while to redo, take to the tractor shows and stuff, and neighbor friend of Dad's come by, actually a friend of the family, known him a long time. And we was talking about one of these, and he had one. He run this as a kid, and he was kind enough to give it to me. He wanted to see it work again, and I was thrilled to death, so we went and got it. So I've been wanting one of these for a while, and great deal, couldn't pass it up, just come get it. So we went and got it, and I want to make this work, and I'm gonna get it unloaded and get time, I'll start on it. But been after one of these forever, couldn't find one. Lo and behold, got talking, he had one. So, but anyways, I was thrilled to death. So new project, upcoming project, and like I said, old Wrecker, she just sucked her right up, and we brought her in. So hopefully, it's been hectic. Things just been busy. So, but we're gonna get this unloaded. I finally got some time to go get it, and we'll get this unloaded and start on this for too long. The only thing, this bottom gear kind of moves. This top one is stuck solid. I've been kind of lubing the insides and stuff, but we might have to, there's a plug here if I can get it out and fill this up with some PB Blast or something, and might have to heat it up a little bit and try to start working it. But part of it's stuck, part of it moves. But what do you expect? It's set for like 50 years or something. So, but anyway, I was thrilled to death to get this. So, new project, and we'll have this old girl going and working, and they're pretty neat when they work, if anybody ain't seen them, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that. We got it, so hopefully, everybody will stay tuned for the ride. We'll get her going for sure. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.